Have you lost your job during Corona and you are looking for ways to make money? Or are you looking to make an extra income? Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. How would you like to get paid $500 per week teaching English online? You don't need to have a degree and you don't need a teacher certificate. You just need to know how to speak English. And this website, they accept people from all over the world. Make sure you watch this video until the end so that you won't miss on important parts. Before I start, welcome to Financial Money Affairs, where I teach you on how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos on how to make money online, you'll be updated. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, and if ever you're having any question, comment concerning this video, don't be shy to leave your comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. The website in which I'll be talking to you about is Cambly. Some of you might have heard about it, and if you haven't heard about it, this website is an online platform that allows students from all over the world to practice speaking English from native English speaker. Basically, what you'll be doing, you connect with students from countries that don't speak English. For example, countries like South Korea, Japan, China, and so on. The nice thing about Cambly, it doesn't have a curriculum. You don't need to follow any curriculum, and most of the time students, they call you just to have a normal conversation with you so that they can practice how to speak English. You may be asking yourself, how do I keep the conversation going and what do we talk about? You can use the FORD method, which stands for family, occupation, recreation, and dream. And also they also provide you with tools that you can use. So to sign up, you go to your search engine, you search for cambly.com. Then you're gonna land on this page. You click sign up. Tutor with Cambly. Get paid to chat with people from all around the world. As I have said, there's no teaching certificate, no bachelor's degree or prior teaching experience is needed. You get paid weekly. You earn 70 cents per minute or $10.20 per hour on Cambly, and you get 20 cents per minute or $12 per hour on Cambly Kids. You get paid each and every Monday via PayPal. Click get started, then you'll be redirected to this page. Then you can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Apple, or you can just enter your email and password and you click create. Then you want to get a page like this. So they will test your internet speed connection, your webcam if it's working, are you having a good lighting, your camera and your headset, are they working? Then you can click start test. As you can see here, it says Cambly runs best on Google Chrome. If you don't have it, I would suggest to install it, because other web browsers, they might give you problems. On tutor profile, you put your tutor name, where you're from, you select the accent that you have, you write your introduction, why do you want to teach at Cambly, you put your experience, your tutoring style. You can select the type of student you want to teach. Do you want to teach beginners, intermediate, or advanced? Then on specialties, you can select what do you specialize on. Are you specializing on friendly conversation, business English, public speaking, or are you just gonna be discussing current events? About me, you can write your interests, your hobbies, your memories, life experience, and so on. You can write whatever that you want to write on about me. Then your current or previous profession, if you're working, you must write it here. On languages, you write the languages that you speak. And if you're having any additional languages besides English, you can edit there. Then you press submit. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video.